Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to fix Registry Editor not opening issue in Windows 11. Open File Explorer. Go to your system drive. Open Windows folder. Go to System32 folder. Go to the top right search bar. Type regedt. Press Enter to see the results. Click on the regedt file. Choose to copy from the list. Paste the file to your desktop. Right-click on the file and choose Show More Properties from the list. Choose Rename from the list. Name the file regedt32new. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Registry Editor will open. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!